It's week 3, we did kickaways again, and we worked on this little around the world business. There's a million around the world, so here's one of them. We had a double kick, and single, double kick. That's the around the world, that single part. It's single kicks, and you turn a lot. Turn more is very often the answer. And we talked about the connection. We got a little further away from each other, and we pulled on each other a little bit here. We're trying to kick our hands with us. There's tension there. And then also, when we come back in, Maddie, should I put my hand on your hip?
Yes.
Should I nudge you there?
Yes.
We should get some squeezy feeling.
Yes.
You hear that, leaders? Go for it. Makes a big difference. So, stretchy, squeezy, stretchy, squeezy. Let me go. Woo, woo. Stretchy, squeezy. And then we did this little sequence like this. A basic. A basic with sliding. Hey, ho. A skip up. Bam. And a basic. And then after that, you do whatever you want. For example, hey, ho. And